Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Samsung has just released the stable version of One UI 7 for the Galaxy S24 lineup. I have been using this system for a few days now and I'm personally very happy with it. In the comments under my videos dedicated to the latest update, there have been quite few comments from people who have some problems with their smartphones after updating their smartphone to the latest version of One UI 7. So I decided to record a short tutorial on what can you do to make your smartphone work properly and have no various problems after installing the new software. I personally have not noticed any problems with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but after each major update I always perform several activities that make my smartphone work properly. The first thing I do after each major or minor update is to optimize all applications on my phone. I recommend downloading the Galaxy App Booster application from the Galaxy Store. After downloading this application, all you need to do is click the Optimize button now. The module will scan all installed applications on your smartphone and remove all unnecessary files and junk from them. You will not lose any data, photos or videos after scanning the application with the Galaxy App Booster module. If scanning doesn't help, I recommend performing the second step, which is supposed to delete cache files from your smartphone's memory. To do so, first you need to go to the smartphone settings, then go to the security and privacy tab, then click more security settings and uncheck the block USB connection after blocking item. If we leave the option enabled, we will not be able to perform this step. After disabling this option, turn smartphone off. Then wait a few seconds. Next, connect USB cable to your phone and to your PC. The next step that we need to do is to press the power button of our smartphone together with the volume up button. You need to hold both buttons for a few seconds until the following menu appears. Then, with the volume down button, go to the Wipe Cache Partition item. Confirm with the power button and press yes. After cleaning the cache on your smartphone, simply go to Reboot System now. The phone will restart and you can enjoy the smooth operation of the operating system on your smartphone. The above step does not delete your data and applications from your smartphone. Only unnecessary and junk files will be removed from the operating system. The next step concerns problems with battery operation on a single charge. If the battery lasts too short, I recommend resetting the battery statistics. To do this, first enter the code *#9900#. If the code doesn't work, you must disable one option in the settings. Go to your smartphone settings, then look for the security and privacy tab, then uncheck the auto lock option. You will probably have to use your fingerprint or enter PIN to be able to disable this option. Then enter the code *#9900# again. After opening the hidden menu, look for the Battery Stats Reset tab. Click on it and reset the battery statistics. After resetting the battery statistics, go back to your smartphone settings, go to the Security and Privacy tab and enable the Auto Lock option. From now on, your battery will learn your usage from the beginning. If the above step also doesn't bring the desired result and you continue to have problems with the operating system of your smartphone, I recommend restoring the factory settings. Remember to make a backup copy of your photos and files on your smartphone. After that, perform a factory reset. I also recommend not restoring data from a backup because quite often it is the backup copy of files that can cause problems with the operating of the system. I have had a similar problem several times and personally after each major update I simply restore my smartphone to factory settings and install the applications again. This is a process that takes some time, but in my opinion it is better to do it after each major update and enjoy flawlessly working system than to bother with problems. I hope that the above tips will help you to solve problems with your smartphones not working properly after updating to One UI 7. If you like the video, I encourage you to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will definitely help me to develop my channel. That's all for today folks and see you in the next episode. See ya!